Hello everyone, Brent here with Bring Your Own Tools. Thank you for joining me on a very special BYOT episode. This is a BYOT quick tip because I'm going to be doing a quick tip every week on every Tuesday, which is inevitably Quick Tip Tuesday now. And it's just a way for me to also give back in other ways. I do a lot of large-scale projects on this channel and I want to help as many people as I can. So hopefully some smaller quick tips that will help everyone else out there that are just easy 1-2 minute videos will help you on your everyday use. So with that being said, let's get to the first Quick Tip Tuesday. Now recently you might have seen our own DIY home gym out of black iron piping. This is what actually spurred my idea of doing some type of quick, easy tip for everyone. And if you want to actually prevent the fact that you have a lot of drywall dust coming down when you're drilling or screwing into your holes and you don't want to take the time to actually get a vacuum out and so forth, an easy, quick tip to actually help you through that process is just a piece of paper and some tape. Yeah, take a piece of paper, piece of tape, tape it on like so, pull it like so, that way everything and anything will funnel directly into your paper, so when you actually drill your hole, it actually lands in there, and then you can drill your screw in. Hope you all enjoyed that quick tip. This is going to be something that I'm going to be trying to do on an every week basis and just providing some type of unique extra content on a 1 to 2 minute scale. Very simple, very easy, so please let me know in the comment section below if there's something you're even interested in seeing, because I would love to know firsthand what you all think, as well as potentially give me some suggestions. Maybe there's a few quick tips that you know that you'd like to see BYOT do on the channel. Till next time.